now that we have seen how the battery looks inside, and it didn't look very promising, to be honest, because some of the battery elements didn't seem to be of high quality. I'm not an expert on that subject, but it seemed to be a bit off for me. Let's put it to the test with this bad boy here. Okay, now we have established that the alternative battery lasted for approximately 9 minutes altogether. It's 8,000 milliamperes per hour battery, which according to my simple mathematics should last, if not twice as long as the 4.0 battery, then at least some minutes longer. As you have seen from my previous videos, this battery, which came together with the lawnmower and the trimmer package, lasted for 16 minutes, I believe. So yeah, to be frank, I'm a bit disappointed with the alternative battery. Of course, it didn't cost as much as an original battery, but still, I mean, you expect a bit better result from it, no? Well, as always, you be the judge. I'm just presenting you the facts from my own experience and my own tests. So yeah, I can quite say that I will most probably not be using that battery that much, because it's a bit of disappointing actually. So thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers.